guys, so we are working on the second part of Fame. The first part of Fame was painting to the song Mother Earth Fanfare, and today we are working on what we're putting on Fame. We are going to be putting on the continents and then some animals too. But today we're going to be working on the continents. Here we have our worksheet in front that has all of our continents on it: Antarctica, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, and South America. Okay, you are going to cut each of these out. All right, so go ahead and you're going to cut them out. Next, you should have some magazine type paper that has different types of landscapes on it. All right, in this magazine paper, you're going to figure out what works best for a different country or different continent, and you're going to be tracing it out. So here, if you notice on my Europe, I have a little bit of mountains, and then I have some trees down for Asia. It's hard to tell with that glare, but that is what I have for Europe. For North America, I have some woodland trees. Antarctica, I found a beautiful little snow picture. I can't find my other ones. South America, I believe I have some, like kind of a rainforest thing. But what you're going to do is you're going to put your piece down. This is what you want for, say, Europe and Asia, which I don't think this would be kind of good. You're going to put it down on your paper. Trace it and cut out your pieces. We're going to store all of our pieces, both the paper one and the magazine, in a plastic bag for right now. So that way we can research some animals that go onto each continent. All right, so the second part of this project will be researching animals. The first, cutting out our continents and holding onto them, cutting them out of the paper, tracing them out of our magazine paper, and then putting them into a plastic bag, which will be stored inside of our sketchbook. The second part will be thinking about the different animals on those continents. Now, when we're thinking about the different animals on our continents, on our slides, we have each of the continents, so Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and then Antarctica. When you click on each one of these, they'll go to a Google search, and then you can look up the different animals that live on that continent. You are only drawing one of them. We are going to be drawing just some small like 2 to 3 inch animals, all right? Nothing big, because our continents that we cut out are nothing big. So we're just drawing one small little animal, and we're going to design it and color it as neatly as possible, cut it out, and then add it to our plastic bag, all right? So continents first, cut those out. Animals second, research some from every continent. Only one animal from every continent that you're going to draw for your Fame picture. So choose wisely what you would like to recreate for that continent, all right? If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.